is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Here's a like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up.
Wall Street Pete, Crypto in Crypto. Every day you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We talk about crypto news. Currently, right now, we're going to do a leverage tutorial. Yes, why such a weird time, right? It's lunchtime. A lot of people are working right now. I do apologize for this, but this is a video that is not really relative to a live video today, so you can watch this. This is a recording. You're going to learn how to trade on leverage today. I'm going to do just the basics. We're going down to the nitty-gritty basics, so if you were looking for some overall fantastic, crazy, mind-blowing stuff on the leverage trading today, you were mistaken. But it's took a while for us to get to here, so we're actually doing that now. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, all notification from a gentleman who actually worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange on Wall Street. Let's get into it, though. Russia right now, without further ado, we're going to do some crypto news like we always do, and then you're going to get right into this tutorial here. Good morning, Lyric to you. Russia to allow international trade in Bitcoin crypto for any industry. Do you understand how big this is? I want to talk real quick before we get into the tutorial. You could call this whatever you want it to be. Don't have to go over the article anymore, but I want to talk about it. And here it is, the leverage trading on the top there. We'll get right into it. So a lot of people think about this. Crypto is all over the world, okay? It's not just traded in America. It's not just bought, it's sold. Russia's involved, right? We just already found out any industry, anyone can get it. Russia's probably one of the most important places for people to have to trade with and have to go through. If America goes down and just shits the bed, the whole economy, everything dies, Bitcoin will probably get hurt. Will it fail and will it die? No, it absolutely will not. The whole entire world is trading Bitcoin cryptocurrency. It's not the USA, it's not China, it's not Russia. It's everyone around the world, which is why this is going to definitely change people's lives. So I just wanted to put that out there before we went into it. Now, leverage trading, right? This is BitGet. So if anybody was interested in what we were doing, it's BitGet. A couple things to talk about. A few things here. There is USDT, obviously, right? USDT. You could trade through there if you would like. Obviously, it's a USDT pairing. The USDC, same thing. It's the pairing. So don't get confused or really upset. Coin. This is the most important one right there. This is the one you're going to be trading through for Bitcoin. So if you wanted to trade your on leverage for your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, well, then this is the one you would go to. Currently, right now, we're in demo. So if you wanted to see what that was, I have Ethereum. I put in the leverage trade. I would pretend that this is what I was doing, and when we fell down from here, as you can see, I put a long position in, and what I did in the demo, I borrowed 21 and a half Ethereum. So right now, hit the like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. You're finally getting the leverage trading tutorial. Lots to go over. What did I do? Well, I hit the market button. What is the market? Well, the market is the current price of the asset in real time. So what did I do? Well, we bought it. What we did here, come down, here's the actual position. I decided when we were at 1325 and I started seeing support coming off the 1315 for Ethereum, I decided it was a good time to buy. What did we do? Well, we did 20 times leverage. Now, it's a little ballsy. For any of you, I'd expect you to get this BitGet. Go to BitGet. if you're in the USA, if you're allowed to use it, and just make sure you get the demo version, right? The S is on the left, as I told you. You can go into here, click on it. It will then allow you, as you can see here, and there's the demo if you did not see how it went. USDT I'm using, but I would prefer you to go into the coin, right? We're going to do Bitcoin. We're going to transfer it to Ethereum. And right now, obviously, I have a nice long position for Ethereum as I put in. And what's happening? Unrealized profit. We're kicking ass, Seabass. So I just basically turned this little bit into $200 in unrealized profit. So currently up 14%. As you can see, our liquidation price was $1,194. So something you may be able to start doing. What I would recommend you do is 10 times leverage or below. I wouldn't even recommend going 10 times leverage. If anybody's interested, we will talk about the real market. As you can see, we're getting a nice, beautiful bounce. This is something I do on the regular. Of course, this is my demo account. Real life, we do have an account moving right now in similar fashion. This is beautiful, right? 16%. We're bouncing to the moon. And Wall Street Pete, this is how 20 times leverage works. We're going right up, and it's showing the money go up too as well, available. I did not have that much available. As you can see now, it's $1,800, bouncing up and down with the price. This is how leverage works, ladies and gentlemen. Gary, good morning. Lyric, good morning to you. A lot of people got to see how this works because I know you've all been waiting for a leverage tutorial. Now what we're doing here, well, this is what that line is. And the line shows you here, right, long, 21 and a half. And I wonder if I can move that a little bit so you can see better. Oh, there it is. You bring it up. The trigger price, it's showing you. Do you want to confirm that? No, I do not. You would confirm a trigger price to make it go off at that level or better. So if we do a market, and a lot of people don't know what the market is. Yeah, we did talk about that. The limit order, excuse me. So what you want to do is you want to be able to put a limit order, right? You're going to go to work. I don't recommend you doing these things on leverage. You must be sitting at the computer. This is why some people could get no sleep. Market order. If you believe that you like the price now, you put it in like I did. Limit buy, limit sell. Is an opportunity to get the price at the level you requested or perhaps a better price. It's never guaranteed to fill, of course, so you got to be careful with that sort of thing. But as you can see right here, 50% of my balance I put in on the trade. So you can see you could trade that way as well. Like we talked about, dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. What percentage should I do? Well, these are the kind of things we talk about. Maybe now you're starting to really understand. As you follow me, we're at all-time high subscribers. I thank you very much. And this is why we're starting to do leverage trading. Why? Because we're starting to get the people to come in, and we're hitting the like and subscribe. We're getting all-time highs. And like I said, I put a long position in here, right? And isn't that amazing? Wall Street Pete put the position in before the 4 hourly. Was it 4? Yeah, 4 hourly up here on Ethereum. And I put the long position in because why? I knew we were going to flip this resistance, old resistance into support. Got a nice bounce. I will take this probably all the way up to closer to the 1400, as you can see, coming from this time. So this is how we do leverage trading. This is how you make sick dough in crypto. Up almost $300, okay? So we did the leverage trading. We put the position in, as you can see. Started, I think, was $3,000. So I had $3,000. I put $1,500 in. So in real life, you could do this. This is not impossible. What you do now, you save up your money, you put it in, right? Margin. There it is, $1,428 we have in margin for USDT. So we're messing with the tether just for an example. If I got greedy, obviously $11.94. We'd sit here and wait. What would I want to do? Well, it's crazy, but I would put a take profit, right? And this is what we would do. And then you would, I don't have to put this here, but it's just explaining to you some more in depth. So if you want to go over this stuff, do this. I'm not going to read none of this because I know and I get it. I'm going to set myself up to take profit, right? And now this is what I will do. So remember, this is a demo, but I want you to understand how to work it. So, right, we're in a position, we're excited, right? Yeah, we got this going on right now. We're in a realized profit right now. I want to make some sick dough in crypto. I want to lock up my profits. This is where we're going to go here, and I have not done this yet. I'm new to the actual platform. I've been having my eyes peeled. There's 2.5 million people who use this platform. So I did a little bit of research. This is one of the things I do like. Like I said, we're up over $300 in this move since we started the video. I did it on purpose. I took the long position right before we would break out. What's happening here? 1,400. What do you want to take in a profit? It's telling you the percentage. This is where you take profits, right? I'm trying to get to the price level. That's what I want to see here. Available amount, and obviously that's how much. And you can see here 100% I would be selling. So I would sell 100% of my Ethereum if I were to do so here. Oh, here it is, market price. So you could switch or you can here, but market price, and it's telling me what price do I want it to go to. So what price do I want it to go to? I'm probably going to do a price something like $13.91, and then I would confirm and hit OK. And then obviously the order tells you one more time. Do you want to do this? Obviously, and then this would be the trigger price, as you could see. I'm trying to take profits. This is a 20 times leverage account. Obviously, this is just for practice. This is what I want you guys to start doing. It would really help you before you put your hard-earned money in. It would be a joke to do something like that. But here we go, 21.5 Ethereum. I borrowed off there, obviously on leverage 20 times. I don't recommend you do that. Do about under 10. And then it's asking you one more time the type. Obviously, when it hits the price at $13.91, my shares, my leverage trading will start exiting out at the best price of $13.91.5 and beyond. So pay attention to what's happening there. I would hit confirm, and then now order succeeded. So there we're good. So now we have it. Now you want to go into here, and then boom, open orders. I know I have an open order right here. It would tell me what's going on. What is it? Then you click on it, right? We don't have to click on it. We already know. Actually, yeah, we should click on it. And then there you go, just to confirm everything. Here's a nice close, your long profit as it's showing you. Oh, and there's a cross trading, and I want people to understand the difference between cross and isolated. So when you come into the demo, this is very important. I screwed up here. It's just a demo. That's why I tell you. You're going to go to isolated on this particular trading method. It will ask you. It didn't ask me anymore. I clicked the checkbox button. You're going to go isolated. What's the difference? Isolated means that when my trade here that I currently have, if it hits 11.94 and I get liquidated and all my money's gone and I'm crying like a little bitch because you didn't take profits when you were up $200, $300, right? Currently 18.7% in a profit right now in Ethereum, just giving you a perfect example. You would not take these profits and you would start losing. Cross, no, I would not recommend cross. What's going to happen, Luke, is they're going to start taking your money from a different asset. So when you get liquidated and all this money is gone, and like I said, this available 1,800 is gone. It'll start reaping it from there. And I don't want that to happen because then they start taking it from your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, of course. They'll take it from I don't know if they can take it from the spot account, but they wouldn't allow you to. They obviously can. And what happens is they take it away. So I would not recommend cross. I would not recommend cross trading. I would 100% change it and do isolated. So this way, when all my money's gone, I have an option. And I say, you know what? I have $1,500 here, or $1,400, right, in margin, $1,428. This is all I want to lose. This is it. You put that in, you go to isolated, not cross, one more time, and then you'll set it up for isolated. And once that money's gone, once you don't take profits, once you make a huge mistake and you F this up here, as I said, I took this long position on at the 13.25 because I knew 13.15 was a great support level. We hit 13.16 on the money there. Whoa! So, no excuse on getting liquidated. Well, that's insane. I'm stuttering because I couldn't imagine losing all my money backed up that I earned from there. So either pay attention to what you're doing or just stop trading is my point. So right here, as I can see currently right here, what would I really take this position on? I would take 13.50 and I would sell out. Just letting you know what I would do. So it's a quick tutorial. I could always take this open order and cancel it. You just hit the cancel button, boom, canceling, and all that's done. So now my profit order will never hit. Because I was seeing Wall Street Pete's telling me, oh shit, 13.50. I want to do that instead. So then what would you do? Well, you would go here, you would close your position, obviously take profits because you don't want to keep doing that. And I'm very new to this, so give me a second here. But it takes a lot of balls to take a position like this on. And like I said, $300, people don't make that in a day. So some people really want to do that. So that's sometimes you do here. You hit the take profit. We took a position at 13.25. What am I ultimately going to do? Well, I decided, we just talked. Wall Street Pete told you 13.50. So even go to 13.49.70. Don't kill yourself. And we're going to do it all. Why? Because this is just a demo, just showing you, for me, for everyone here, just showing you how it works. And then back once more, check it out, Ethereum. There it is. Like I said, one more time, the cross, it would then start taking money or your balance away if it never took the profits. We would then be hitting USD dollars, Tether, and then we would be finding ourselves in the Tether wallet having whatever we made off this account. And then obviously we would talk into here. It would most likely be 3,000 plus the 1,900. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We're actually going to fill the order, it looks like. Here it is, 1341. As you can see here, it tells you both. See, take profits, and you can easily cancel it if you want. I love BitGet. This is one of the greatest. So do yourself some homework. Go see if you want to do BitGet. Verify, do all of your verifications. It's very, very important. Now we can go over some of the crypto space. Dogecoin, right? I hope you liked the tutorial. Let me know in the comment section what you thought. Maybe you might have a couple extra questions after that. But yes, we're still going, I believe, to 22 all the way to 24,000 Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is starting to have a problem. And I'll show you what happens right before we go over Dogecoin here real quick. If you see on this chart, and this is the daily, let's get to the 4-hourly on Bitcoin. Look at this. I showed you 20,400, and that was the real number, 20,400, the red line here. It was exactly what we did. We hit resistance right here, and I want to open it up over this RSI level. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really that good. We hit exactly right on the money, 20,400 Bitcoin resistance. The upward W is going to continue. We will then find ourselves at 21.5 trying to break. And like I said, I've circled here. Just because we started to fall and we didn't go straight up, Wall Street Pete was wrong. Nothing goes straight up, so I don't know what you're thinking here. So here are the next legs up, obviously coming back in all the way. There's a chance we can come back to 19.2, so that's what I'm watching. Anytime we fall below the 18.6, abandon ship. Bitcoin is over, and this is just a complete dead mess, and you want to get the F out. So currently, if we hit the 18.5, 19.2, I believe the RSI level takes us back down to here. I don't think we see that. As you can see, we're getting a nice bullish divergence coming up now, so I'm excited about that. Please hit the like and subscribe. Very important, and as this is the Bitcoin chart I'm showing you here, I do believe this may happen as we're getting a current cup and handle right in here exactly and precisely. So the 19.2, or whatever this, what is this price? This is in 19.2. 19.6. Let me see if I have that price over. Beautiful. So 19.58, 19.6. Currently right now in the orange line, I'm expecting a cup and handle. What color do you want the cup and handle? Make it red. I expect this beautiful cup and handle that we're currently getting, as you can see right there beautifully. Yes, this is an upward W. It's expected to happen. And cup and handle right in there, so it's beautiful. So if you want to buy the 19.5, trade on leverage. All you got to do now, right? Let's do it. Go to Bitcoin. Okay. I'm on the Bitcoin chart. Wall Street Pete is good. And by looking at this chart just here on Bitcoin, really getting back to the leverage trading platform, it looks like we got our retracement. We're done. You could get fooled. So what I'm looking at here is what I would do is I would buy a long position if I could. I would get ready to buy, let's see, oh, there's the cross. I could trade it and go to isolated, okay? So under the isolated margin mode, your liability is limited to the initial margin posted. So common sense, right? That's what we want to do. If we go to the cross, under the cross margin mode, that utilizes the full amount of funds in the available balance to avoid liquidations. So you really, that's beautiful. It's beautiful to have. But you got to pay attention to what you're doing. So pay attention to that. Like I said, isolated is most likely what I like. I would hit the do not remind me again, and you don't have to mess with that crap. That's why I was trying to tell you. So coming into here, what did I say? See, I get so crazy. 19.6. So I'm going to put an order in 19.6, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Open buy, right? And here we are, 20 times leverage because we're sick bastards. We'll change it all the way to 125. Could you imagine you say goodbye to your house? But buy here, open. If you did it at the limit, buy the long, right? And you're going to have to put an order in. So I'm sorry. Let me get back down to here. There it is. Position. Like I said, I'm learning how to do this myself. I used to trade on leverage on KuCoin and a few other things here, and I'm learning how to do it. So it's taken some time for even me to figure it out. Don't see any available balance for the Bitcoin. That's the problem I have right now. There's my available balance in margin. So it's in the tether. You got to make sure you're in tether. I am in tether, and I should be able to buy this. So let's see. Oh, there it is. So now I go here to 100%. Okay, here it is. Here it is. But I should, I'm in market. See, you got to pay attention. See, I'm learning how to do this I just paid attention to most of it, but I'm still trying to get used to it. That's what it is. So now you got yourself on the limit order buy. Then you put it in, max open. It should be asking me what price I want to get it at, and give me a second. There it is. Put it in. I'm such an idiot. Sorry about that, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. And then that's what you'll do if you believe in the technical analysis. And guess what? Sometimes the order doesn't fill. You cannot cry over things that just don't happen. So if it doesn't happen, don't cry. It's technical analysis. This is part of dollar cost averaging in. I'm already in on the Ethereum jump. You got to be very happy. You can't get greedy. So as you can see what I'm doing here right now, trying to keep up with the price. What did I say? 19. We're going to do 19,587 I had, of course. But we're obviously just going to stay with what we're doing. And we're going to stay to 19.6. I should then be able to do that. I don't know if I put the parenthesis in between and it needs it or not. But let's see. And then there you go. So let's see. There it is. Margin. No, current price. You gotta chill, dude. So this should be working here. It's showing it right here, and it's letting me borrow. Obviously, you can see right here, max open, 1.7. And then you'll put the order in. I see what it's doing. It's letting me put how much and what I want to do, okay, on my derivatives, and make sure like you have everything set. Like I said, it's isolated. We're leveraging 20 times like maniac, and then you would put your order in, and that's pretty much how you would set it up. I'm not going to play with this much more. As you can see, our Ethereum is in a profit at 320 as it's going up and down like a maniac, and then there's our margin. So just a quick tutorial. I didn't want to go too crazy, but then you'll have your following orders as you can put one in, as you can see how it all works. Order history, then it'll tell you what you did before and after. I put a long position in trying to work it and didn't get executed, as you can see here. I tried to get it even at lower at 13.22 because you imagine we'd be even more of a profit on here. So let's see what Luke says. Pretty sure the exchange gets paid more if they force you out of the position. Well, you got to remember, all of the traders, so we're going to get out of here and just exit out of that. All of the traders, all the whales, they have access to all the long positions as we do as well. Go to coinglass.com, and you could do that as well. You could check it all out. Let me see if I can help you out here right now with that, because that would be fun to show you. So if you go to this site here, it's called coinglass.com. And it's pretty unique. It's pretty helpful. And what happens is there's so many different things. They got liquidations, and that's exactly what we're talking about, right? So all these tools are here for you. I'm here for you. You just hit the like and subscribe. And no YouTuber loves it better when they get a like and a subscribe and a comment. So please do all three. It'd be very important. Let me know if you like the leverage trading tutorial. We didn't go in depth, as I said. We kept it as basic as possible, right? And they're showing you by the exchange. They're showing you who is long. I mean, you could go by the hour period. You go by the day. I like to go by the whole day and find out what is going on, right? All the long positions. 50% on FTX right now. Currently, liquidations are state at 14.6 million, and you got a 70% long funding rate right now. Everyone is jumping on this long rate. I can only imagine how many people stopped their short positions or either got liquidated and then jumped on this long wagon. So I'm not the type of person that likes to flip like this. As you can see, though, you can go all the way to the other one in Deribit. They are 83% short on that exchange, and then go right down to Bitfinex, and they're like, no, F you, we're going to go 86.5%. So it all depends what you're trading, but I'm looking at this right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of the 10 exchanges, 70% of the world right now is longing the crypto space. So you got to pay attention to a lot of that stuff, right? So we'll give you a little bit of detail of what's going on, and then we got to get the hell out of here. Wall Street, P-Sicto, and crypto. And damn it, if it wasn't beautiful, there is an upward W forming right here. What's happening? Resistance at the 20,400 price. Coming down, finding yourself. Hitting super resistance, if you've noticed, at the 19.5, 19.6. This is a 4-hourly, and if you pay attention all the way down to the liquidity grab, almost 19.6, it's 19.7, it's very close. Getting a nice bounce. We did not finish, right? 3 hours and 31 minutes. It's only been 30 minutes on this new 4-hourly candle. We can't trust it. RSI levels seem to be resetting. That's what I got to pay attention to on this trend to the upside. Are we resetting, or are we still heading back to the downside? That's the most important. So, like I said, on that, I would have taken profits on that trade. You would have seen we hit up. We're almost there. And what did we put the profits at? I told you, what was it? Now, that was Ethereum, of course, and we're going to get back to it right now. because I want to see where it grabbed. 1345 was the liquidity grab, but we're not finished yet. And like I said, 1350. So we're at 1349. I believe it will continue to hit on this. 3 hours and 31 minutes left. So we're looking to see here if we could break through. If we do, we'll find ourselves hitting the $1,400 level. That'll be really exciting, but there's much to pay attention to. As you can see, this beautiful big cup and handle is a lot smaller than we anticipated. So you got to watch it. And I know it doesn't really seem to be much, but there it is, and it's currently happening. So we'll see what goes on. I'll come to you with the next live when I feel like it's very important. Just please do me a favor, do your half. As you can see, we're getting ready to test the next level, and that's what I was telling you. I'm waiting for it to come. Perhaps cup and handle inside a cup and handle, then that's when we do it. And then she gives us her phone number, as we always say. So please, Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto, we come to you. As you can see, I don't know how last month was a greed month. I think there is something wrong with this. I don't believe in that. Something's not right. But yes, extreme fear. I feel like we're in there all the time. So nothing is changing there, ladies and gentlemen. Total crypto market cap staying around the 950 billion mark. Like I said, this is going to be a problem. Ethereum has got to hover and hold the 1315 support level. I hit resistance, and now obviously the prices are updated. So the 1315, I did try to put an order in. Couldn't get home fast enough to get into this. I was busy running outside, and then I came in. I wanted to do a leverage video for you. So hope you enjoyed it. Pretty long video, I guess, for a leverage trading video, but you learned, you got an update, and it was a great day. So let me know in the comment section, please, every single one of you. We had Frank, he asked, can we do the ape technical analysis? We're absolutely going to be able to do the ape. Just not right now. Unfortunately, I got a lot to do. But I do appreciate every single one of you. So hit the like, hit the subscribe. Please, in the comment section after the end of this video, let me know. Did you really enjoy the video? Did you learn something today? If so, what was it? Take care.